prisoners on the Ovation of the Seas. You don't cheer, you boo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome one and all to the Ovation of the Seas crossing of the Equator. We are honored that you have chosen to be with us this afternoon. Steve, stop playing the music. We're honored that you have joined us this afternoon to be with us on this prestigious day. Now please welcome your captain and some of his senior officers. Staff Captain Sanjay, you may now be seated. You're the jury this afternoon. Please have a seat. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye, landlubbers of high and low degree. Today we pay homage to King Neptune, the father of the seas, fishes, turtles, and mermaids, and all creatures of the deep. I have told him of our coming, which has woke him from his sleep. The ovation, they cried, has entered your domain, with vile pollywogs on board who do not acknowledge your reign. King Neptune rose from his seaweed bed and proclaimed that all on board to the sharks be fed. Then taking up his trident and boarding his flowing stream, he hurried here to meet us, accompanied by his mermaid princesses and his queen. All rise for King Neptune! You cheer the king. You like the king. All right. It is now time for a message on behalf of the king, served to us by his queen.
Greetings to all assembled here. To the captain, guests, and crew of the Ovation on its esteemed voyage as he sails the seas. Once again, we welcome you aboard this exquisite ship. My king and I are very pleased to see her full of happy people and lovers of the sea. And now, to the task. To the judge and prosecutors. As you know, we have a duty to perform today with some pollywogs. I think some punishment is to be made before we chuck them into the brig.
Thank you, Queen Neptune. Most gracious Majesty, it is my duty to inform you, sire, that the path has been cleared of all impedances and that we are now ready to proceed. Most of the passengers, staff, and crew have already been fully initiated into the mysteries of your mighty realm of the deep and are bearers of the royal seaweed pass. O Majesty, do I have your permission to proceed? Good pirates, please bring forth the first two prisoners. Crew member Kelsey, you are charged with being far too distracting and influencing the bridge navigational officers in steering the ship in the wrong direction, heading us directly towards Ensenada, Mexico. Crew member Billy, you are charged with telling all the children on the Ovation of the Seas to press every single button in the elevator. O King Neptune, what shall be their fate? It is time to take them to their fate, but mermaids, it's time to make your way down to the area where the prisoners are, because it's time for them to kiss the fish. Prisoners, I now want to see you kneel before King Neptune. inside the punishment pit. And remain on your knees, facing your Lord. O King Neptune, you look weary, for the hour is getting late, so I suggest we adjourn to another date. Until we see you back on board and sat upon your throne, we ask each polywog before you be granted a pardon and decree on his own. King Neptune, are they pardoned? Pardoned by Neptune. We now have a final reading from the King's Queen.
Good Captain, we conclude and will go on our way, with a blessing for my king and I, which I hurry to say. May your seas be calm and winds blow slight. May your travels be pleasant and days be bright. May your guests be filled with happiness and your worries close to none. We bid you farewell, Ovation of the seas, as our day's work is done.
Ladies